Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the mysteries of freelancing platforms, starting with Guru.com login. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the mysteries of freelancing platforms, starting with Guru.com login. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple yet essential process of logging into your Guru.com freelancer account, especially designed for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by online platforms. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to www.guru.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Click it to proceed to the login page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your registered email address and password. Make sure you use the exact email you used when signing up, and type your password carefully to avoid login errors. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, simply click on the Forgot Password link. Guru.com will guide you through the steps to reset your password securely via your email. After entering your email and password correctly, hit the Login button and wait a moment for the page to load your Freelancer dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can view your projects, communicate with clients, track your earnings, and manage your profile. If this is your first time logging in, take a moment to explore the interface. Check out sections like My Jobs, Proposals, and Messages to get familiar with navigation. Security tip: always log out after your session when using public or shared computers to keep your freelance account safe. Additionally, you can opt to keep yourself logged in on your personal device by checking the Remember Me box, but only do this on secure, private devices. And that's it, a straightforward login to start your freelancing journey with Guru.com. Remember, accessing your account is the first step towards building your freelancer profile and landing projects that suit your skills. Don't let a simple login hurdle stop you from reaching your freelancing goals.